acha nipige hivi.
Ona thengia wa urugamiriri wa ene matatu gicigo-ini kia Machakos niguo mamwa gukorwo ukirihira motungata kuri imwe cia kambuni cia insurance mataririe gutiri uteithio mamukagira riria makuruhana mitino-ini ya barabara. Kuringana nao ni ati namba nene irihagira motungata ihinda riria riagiriire no riria marabatara uteithio macungagiririo gucoka mihuko. Undu uyu makiuga ni ukoretwo ukimahinyiriria.
We've done all that we could, including visiting IRA, including storming the insurance companies, including having meetings with the management of the same companies, but we've not gotten any help there.
Mamoa iri na ngari makiria ma 4,000 maikitie ritana kuri thirikari na kwendekithia uthuthuria makiria utafanio kuri kambuni cia insurance iria iragarara mawatho na oho itacukirio makinya maria mabataire ma kiwatho.
It is the IRA, Insurance Regulatory Authority, that has failed to regulate the industry completely. It has also failed even to regulate the minimum amount that should be paid as third party.
We need a law that can compel lawyers to charge the insurance company and if possible also the driver.
Hamwe noguo mataririe ni matwarite riendekithia bunge-ini ya bururi na matanya mao ni ati thina uyu ni ugwetherwo kihonia.
I want to assure you that your matter is in good hands.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.